Well, different people have a different idea about this picture. I have my own idea. I would like to say that what can I see on this picture? This picture mainly provide that income by yes and gender in the UK. The highest percentage, the median income per tax, the 30,000, 25,000, 20,000, and also the lowest percentage, the 50,000, 10,000, and 5,000. Under 2024, 50, 59, 30, 34, and the 70 and 74, the and over gender both female and male. In conclude, we can see there are different types of color like blue, yellow, red, purple, and also the black, orange, green.